Fishing in the Canadian Rockies with the guides from Banff Fishing Unlimited.
We offer ice fishing from mid-December to mid-April. Ice fishing is truly a unique fishing adventure. Simply an outstanding fishing experience, and especially nice when done with the benefit of the comfort of a heated hut. So come on out with us now to see how we'll do. It's a breathtaking half-hour drive from Canmore into the heart of the Rockies and to Spray Lakes Provincial Park. Here's some bighorn sheep on the road. Awesome. Definitely God's country. Here's some fellas building an igloo.
We're here. We'll load up and head out. We've got about a 10-minute walk on down to the lake. Mind that first hill.
Here we are. It's pretty cold and nasty out. We can fix that. Come on in. Nice, eh? Heaters, stove, kettle at the ready. Well, let's get fishing. We'll bait up and drop down a line. Probably won't be long before we get a bite. Here's one now. Somebody get the rod.
Feels like a good one.
Nice fish for lunch.
Beautiful lake trout.
Ooh, good hook set. There's another one.
Here comes good one. All right.
Nice fish.
Nice fish.
Over at the other shack, the fellas are loading up on some fish for lunch as well.
Ooh.
Beauty. Righty.
First in the day.
Things in the game.
Only the best.
Nice there, fellas. We'll be serving up some fish sandwiches for lunch today from our catch. In addition to our wooden huts, we've got this portable tent. We can offer up some trips that are custom trips for rainbows, cutthroat, bull trout, pike, and other trips too. Upon returning to the truck, we found we had some visitors. Here we got a cow moose and her young bull calf, snacking back some salt off the side of our truck. Comfortably warm, man. Cozy inside and beautiful outside. The ice fishing here is great. Check out this whopper. Or this 20-pound trophy. So come on out with us then and try some ice fishing.
Ah, what an awesome place. The Canadian Rockies in the winter. God's country. The Bow River runs free and clear of ice through most of the winter. Weather permitting, winter can be one of the best seasons to hook the largest fish the Bow has to offer. Come on out and see. Here's a few fish I hooked in late January. Nice healthy 19-incher to start. Followed by this chunky 22-incher. Lastly, this magnificent 24-incher. Here's a tremendous outing in March with our guest Dan.
First cast and he's into a fish. A nice 16-incher to start with. A few casts later, Dan's into a gargantuan fish. Check out this 24-inch hog. What a beauty.
Another beauty.
After half a dozen great fish on the fly, we suggest we'll try cleanup with the spinning rod. First cast again. And another.
Not too shabby, eh? No. And another.
That sure was an awesome day out with Dan. Said it was the best day of trout fishing he ever had. Should conditions permit, we'll also float the upper bow in the wintertime. On this occasion in February, we're floating the upper bow with our guest Paul.
Bit chilly out here on the water today. We solved the riddle, however. Gotta go deep and slow with those big streamers. Nice 16-incher. The fishing just gets sweeter.
A nice healthy one.
Healthy indeed. Check this 22-incher. Or this 23-incher. Then this coup de grace 24-incher. That's some kind of dandy fishing for a half-day outing there for Paul. Landed about 10 fish. 6 of them were bigger than 20 inches.
Here's a few photos of the lunkers of spring. Nice, eh? Happy folks indeed.
For great fishing adventures,
Come fishing with the guides from Banff Fishing Unlimited from Banff, Alberta, Canada.
for great fishing adventures,
Come fishing with the guides from Banff Fishing Unlimited from Banff, Alberta, Canada.